Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another makeup video. I know I've been MIA for a hot minute, but life been lifing, and I did a surgery like 3 weeks ago, like the 27th I think of February. So yeah, 3 weeks ago, and it was rough. I'm not out of the woods yet. I'm still in recovery, but I miss filming, and I just had to do this. A friend of mine picked up a palette from one of those drugstore. This is an eyeshadow palette. Yeah, and she picked up also a powder, face powder. I dropped it. So yeah, so I've been doing using these two palettes in today's video. What else? I hope everybody's good. I try putting out content like every now and then. My phone is still not up yet. I should be fixing that soon. Yeah, but everything is okay apart from what I told you. And yeah, make sure you guys are safe, and listen, it's not good out here in these streets, but yeah. So let me not ramble, and let's just jump right into the video. So as per usual, we're gonna start off with our brows. So I'm just using some translucent powder and putting that on my brows because, you know, get a little bit oily every now and then. I'm taking it's almost black, but it's really dark brown pencil, and I'm just outlining the shape that I want my brows to be in. And yeah, so I'm filling it in with a light brown pencil because I don't know, I just like how this come out, and then wherever that's sparse, I'll go back in the dark one with the dark one and go over that, and you know, taking the spoolie, and we're just brushing it out, making sure everything is situated. So I'm taking my base in Rumor number 2 to base my eyelids, and now this is the palette right here. So this is the Kevin and Coco palette. It's 48 colors. It consists of pressed glitter, shimmers, marble, and matte. All right, so I'm taking this brush right here. It is a small flat brush, and I'm just creating the shape that I want. We're gonna be doing a floating wing today, and I took that color right there. Listen, it was the darkest one in there, and I just needed something dark in my transition. So now I'm going in with that lilac looking color. I think it's like really light purple, and I'm going on top of that using my Morphe M506 brush. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep this a little bit tight, not going all the way up to my brow bone. All right, and you know, once we place our colors, we need to go back in. So once I'm done like blending this shade, I'm going back in my crease area, and I'm going back in the dark one. And you know, listen, we gotta put the colors down more than once to get the intensity we want. So going back in with the P. Louise base, and I'm just cutting my crease, you know, cutting my crease, taking my time doing this. You know how we do it right here. All right, I'm just taking my time, going in sections to cut my crease. All right, I wanted my transition to be a little bit darker, but it is what it is. So I'm just patting that out with a fluffy brush, and I'm going in with those two colors right there, the purple and I'm gonna say dark brown color. And I'm just, listen, I didn't know what I was going to do, but I knew I wanted to create like a shape, like a gradient shape from dark right there to light to the outer end. So yeah, so I just basically did all of that. All right, so I went in with a pink, and then I went in with that light purple shade to the outer end of that. And then, as I said to you before, we got to go back in. So I honestly struggled with this part, so I knew I wanted something with the green shade, so I just went in with the pink right here and trying to blend these two together, you know. It was a struggle. So this is where I'm taking the green right there, and I'm just placing that on the inner, listen, I don't know math, I'm gonna say third, I don't know, yeah, I'm just placing that right there and going in with that yellow shade and going in between the pink and the green, trying to make everything blend, and it came out right. So this is Black Up Style 8-in-1 powder palette. All right, you can use this as an eyeshadow as well, but listen, it's actually a face powder thingy. All right, so we're gonna go in with this beauty blender again, and we're gonna make sure all the creases are blended out. So I'm just taking my puff, my triangular puff, and I went into with that the lightest shade in the palette. Oh my goodness, it was the lightest shade in the palette, and I think that was my complexion shade, I don't know, but yeah. So I'm just putting that everywhere that I did my highlights, because listen, we're gonna make this work. All right, we're gonna make it work. So and then I used those two colors right there, and I did for my all over face. Yeah, that's what I did. I put it basically on my jawline and my top lip. So now we're going in with the contour. I use these two colors because I wanted like a bronzish looking, but it was still a bit too dark, but it is what it is. We're making it work. All right, going on my jawline, my forehead, my cheekbone areas, you know, places that you want to, you know, dark. Yeah, you know what I mean. So I'm going in with that shade right there because I didn't want my nose contour to be too harsh. So I did that, and I used a small fluffy angled brush to contour my nose. I will come in with a base routine because I changed up my base routine, and yeah, I'm just taking some eyeshadow to, it was the pink and the orange one, to my as a blush. I just use it as a blush. All right, just use it as a blush because why not? All right, it's makeup, we're gonna play. I'm taking whatever that's left of that P. Louise base and putting it on my waterline because I didn't want to put black in my waterline. I just wanted a light waterline. So I'm going back in with that dark shade. That's the first color that we use, and I'm putting that on the outer part of my waterline, going in with some pink. As usual, my mom brought me some breakfast. Yeah, it's her birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. So yeah, I went in with that color, then I went in with the orange, and I went in with the yellow, and this is the finished look. What do y'all think? I thought that it came out really well. The color, the palette is very pigmented. I was so surprised. I was shook, but overall I had fun creating this look. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, and until next time, bye beauties. I'm so out of this. Bye.